Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the Knime and the Google Drive. Okay, so in the last video, if you know, or I will add a link in the description. In that I have explained what is Google Authenticator, how you can connect sheets or Excel files from Google, means whatever the file you have in a Google Drive, you can connect that easily like a SharePoint list easily, and then you can read the data and you can do the transformation. So all these aspects I have covered in my previous videos, link in the description, you can watch that. But today video is, okay, what if you have data and all this thing, you have done a transition, you have done a transformation and all this thing, okay, but now you want to post that data in your, again, a Google Drive, not in your local system. Okay, let's say if you have a team, and if you want to share that data with your team, and so that they can use that folder, and they can use latest data, what if you schedule it. So for that, what you have to do is, means we have already 50% work we have already completed, but I have done some transformation after that. Means let's say this is my CSV data, which has near about 50,000 records, right, and 11 columns. After that, this is basically, this is the BMW sales data. Okay, if you see, it has a color, it has a region, it has a year, model number, and all these things. So because we cannot, because I need some insights from this data, so what I have done is I have done some transformation like a group by. So in the group by, I have made changes like, I have done a grouping on the model, color, and a transmission type. Okay, after that, I want to know, let's say if I have a BMW 3 series model, then how many colors options are available for that. Okay, so for that I have done again group by, and in that, if you see, for BMW 3 series automatic transmission, we have black, blue, gray, red, silver, and white. Okay, and we have the, if you go to the manual, again I think same options we have. And from 50,000 records, we find out 22 rows where we will get all this classification. So group by is very easy. You can watch my previous videos where I have explained about the group by, but it's not about the group by topic. We want to post this data to in the CSV or in a sheet or in Excel format to the our Google Drive. I will show you my Google Drive. Where is my, yeah, so this is my folder. I will delete this. Okay, so this is my folder, and here only I want to, whatever the modification I have done, I want to paste it over here or store it over here. Okay, so for that, you can use a simple step. You can directly, let's say in Excel format I want to store it, so you can use the Excel writer. Okay, so Excel writer, but you have to, because manually it will run. Okay, but proper way is, you have to do authentication again. Okay, so for that, because this is the Google Authenticator, we have already used that. Okay, and we have given a login password, and we have given a scope. Okay, so again you can use this. You can just, okay, drag this and just connect it to your, if you see, initially it was only one arrow. If I just close over it, you will get a plus icon. Okay, so you have to drag and drop over here. Okay, so now if you see, you have two arrows. Okay, so this is the authentication line that you have to connect, otherwise it will not work. And second is the output line. Okay, now again, the best part is, you have to write it to the Google Drive, which is automatically selected. You have to just given a name, let's say final BMW spec data. Okay, and you have to browse it again, means where you want to paste it. I want to paste it in my Knime work folder only, and final BMW spec data, and in the .xlsx format, which is perfect. Okay, and just click on save and apply. Okay, okay, again you want a sheet name to be precisely sheet 1 only, then you can change it from here, and then click on apply and okay. But I think it will get error, because we, in the Google Authenticator, we have given only a read access, not a write access. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, we, as expected, we received error because we cannot, forbidden post access. Why? Because in a Google Authenticator there are different type of scopes that we can define. Okay, so we have given a scope like we Google Drive read only. So all the data in your Google Drive we can read, but we cannot overwrite or write over here. So for that you have to change the scope. So what I will do is I will select Google Drive. Okay, and again I have to log in. This is my login. You have to click on it and you have to give a permission to access that. So I have given a permission now. Okay, so this is they are asking for the permission, so you have to click on a continue. Now it's saying that received verification code, means the authentication is completed. You can close this. I can again close this now, and you have to click on OK. Now if I play this and if I play to Excel writer till okay, let's see. Now it's overriding, means it's writing a data to my drive. Okay, because we have changed the scope. And if we see, if I refresh this, yeah, we have the data now opening in a Google Sheets, obviously. Yeah, so this is how the data will look. And by using just changing the scope and by using this authentication method, you can again post the data to your Google Drive, right? Okay, so this is how you can post the data to Google Drive by using a Google Authenticator and different mechanisms that I have explained. And you have to just you have to always remember, you have to change your scope, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and please subscribe.